NexTech 3D AI achieves major generative AI breakthrough in text to 3D material generation. On May 4th, NexTech announced that they have launched yet another breakthrough generative AI technology that aids in the generation of 3D materials from text prompts. And according to NexTech, this text to 3D material creation is the key to driving the company forward in its quest to be the dominant 3D model supplier for the e-commerce industry, where the 3D models for e-commerce total addressable market is estimated to be worth around $100 billion over the next decade, which is roughly the same net worth as the tech entrepreneur Larry Ellison. So let's think about this. With the new wave of generative AI systems like ChatGPT, the world is entering a period of generational change where entire industries are going to be transformed. And furthermore, NexTech believes that to be the 3D model leader for e-commerce, a clear and compelling AI strategy is needed. So with its new key AI hires and its breakthrough AI focused on 3D modeling, coupled with their Amazon relationship, I honestly believe that NexTech has what it takes to become an emerging leader. Because if there's one consistent thing that this company has shown, it's that they are extremely adaptive, which I think is one of the most important characteristics for a successful company to have. But back to the actual new technology here. As recently announced, NexTech has launched their AI to scale their 3D model production capabilities, which positions them for a great chance at some breakout revenue growth in 2023 and beyond. And to this, they also announced a major generative AI breakthrough in 3D model texture creation. You see, NexTech is using their newly developed AI to power its diversified 3D and AR businesses, including both Arway and Toggle 3D. So let me explain NexTech's brand new text to 3D material creation for you. In their text to 3D material pipeline, users can input a text prompt into the AI generator, similar to ChatGPT, and the systems will create multiple image variations of that single prompt. The generated images are then layered with texture maps to create a 3D material, and the end result is a series of seamless materials that can be draped over a 3D object. This allows users to assess the result and swap between different variations quickly until they find the perfect one for them. And moreover, users can even add descriptive words to their original text prompt to further tweak the texture to the desired state. This feature provides users with a high degree of customization, allowing them to create some pretty unique textures that are tailored exactly to their needs. So just for a nice visual, this is the result after the text prompt red leather fabric. And this is the result after the text prompt that was further refined with a particular type of red leather pattern, red crocodile leather fabric. In the image to 3D material pipeline, users can also drop a patch from a reference product photo and generate a brand new high quality 3D material. And once again, the material is PBR, meaning that it reacts to light as a material would naturally in the real world. This feature makes it ideal for creating some really high quality and realistic 3D materials, as you can imagine. This method is also powerful for creating something from an image exactly as it exists in the real world. And the input of the cropped patch can even be low resolution, as the generative AI process will create a new replica from the material in 4K quality. The AI will then take an educated guess for what the finish of the material is, based on the input patch. However, users also have the power to edit the image by further providing descriptive words to the AI generator. And like I mentioned, this feature is really going to provide a high degree of customization for anyone who wants to use it, allowing users to create some extremely unique and tailored textures for their 3D models. And just as another example, here's an input patch that was cropped from a reference photo and was used to recreate a wood texture. In this example, you see the AI generated image of the texture applying the PBR maps to make the material 3D. And this example of the wooden image, believe it or not, is also one of the hardest materials to produce and recreate in 3D modeling, according to NexTech. The precision of each crease and pattern in the wood makes this pattern type material difficult to recreate, both manually and through AI. So, as you can imagine, using legacy software systems today, a professional 3D artist could be expected to take anywhere from 2 to 3 hours recreating one wood material. And as the team finishes fine-tuning the material generation pipeline, it'll be released in Toggle 3D as a feature in the Pro plan, which is, yet again, another incentive for businesses to pay a little extra money to NexTech for these pretty next-level features. And with that, I think I'd like to wrap up the video here. Thanks as always, and I'll catch you next time.